Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you how to sign in your Microsoft account on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to your startup menu. Click on startup menu right here. Next thing you want to do is to go to settings. And the next thing you want to do is to so it's going to take you right here. So from the home tab right here, you have it's all here with Microsoft account. So what you need to do here is to click on sign in. And this window here is going to pop up. Go ahead and enter your Microsoft Outlook email, or better still, if you do not have one already, you can click on create one. But for me in this tutorial, I will go ahead and enter my Microsoft Outlook. Then go ahead and click on next. So here you have choose a way to sign in. You can use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key. Use my password, your verification mail. I'm going to use my password right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter my login password to this account. Sign into this computer using your Microsoft account. Next time you sign into this computer, use your Microsoft account password or hello if you have set it up. Then go ahead and enter your password. Then go ahead and click on next. So go ahead and click on next. Then enter your passkey. Now you are done. You are fully signing into your Microsoft account. You have successfully added into your Windows PC. You have access to MS Word or Microsoft 365. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.